here pretty early. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited too. I'm very excited. Look, there's Scooby-Doo's bus.
The mystery machine.
I just saw a hand come out of it though, and now I don't know where the hand is. Maya, that used to be her favorite show. This is so cool. They still have the Christmas stuff up.
She's hot.
Are you sure you don't want to feel it?
One word of warning that may mar your otherwise enjoyable day at my park. There's a psychopathic killer on the loose. His name is Sideshow Bob, and he used to work for me. For some reason, he hates me. Do not linger. Do not hesitate. Do not stop. You'll be standing within line. A volley farewell. You may take photographs.
Let's get ice cream. I wonder how it tastes. It's over. Wow. Now I know why
Souvenir glass.
why everyone was at the steps.
Can you try?
The lavender. Do you like it? I got it. Edamame?
I'm thinking if I wanted to film it or eat it. Wow.
It's really good.
This is fire. I haven't even touched my spicy mayo how good this is. You want to try it?
I know.
Well, you don't need a ginger. This spicy mayo is good. You like yours better?
This frying on the outside that they do is like so different.
Flash fried.
Like I had the flash fried before, but it's not a thick crust like this. Like this is perfect.
We're going to the Harry Potter world.
Except for I thought with the Harry Potter world we were gonna have to go to the opposite side I thought you'd be able to see it. Oh, how cute is this? Oh look, build a fish. Oh, I guess it's just to check out the menu. I don't think it's a game. I know, if it was a game, I'd be down to play.
I love you.
I love you too. Very fun, successful
First day.
first day. I want to like review the parks, make it into a little helpful video until the hotel.
Until the hotel.
Until the hotel. Got it. We've arrived. One, two, three. Maybe put the exposure down. Ready?
What about back there?
And the lens, one, You know what you remind me of?